we just launched a DIY candle making kit from Official Key Items, and so today we're going to show you how to do it on your own.
Hey guys, it's Chrissy, and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little candles. Let's go. So here's everything that you'll need to make your own candles. We sell everything. Everything is $1, which is awesome and so affordable. So the first thing you're going to want to do is fill up a pot with some water. About 2 inches of water will work. And while that boils, we're going to go ahead and get our wicks set up in our containers here. So you're going to take your candle making kit and take those little sticky pads, and you're just going to plop those as close to the center of the container as you can get. I like to use this little wooden popsicle stick to kind of help me level it out. And then you're going to grab your cotton candle wicks and just plop those right in the center of the little sticky pad. Then you'll want to grab your wick holder to keep your wick in place when you pour the wax later. It's a similar process for the wood burning wick, but you're just going to have to put that into the wick holder and then place the wick holder on the center of the little sticky pad. By this time your water should be boiling, so you can go ahead and put the pot in the boiling water, or you can pour the wax into your container before placing it into the water. Allow that to melt and stir throughout the process. So now comes the fun part. We get to use our little dye blocks to dye our candle. I'm using green because I went for a eucalyptus lemon scent, so I just thought it kind of went with the scent. And once you stir your dye block in, let it melt fully before taking your wax off of your hot water. The next step is pretty important. You want to let your wax cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding your scents in. And for this candle, this is the bigger candle, we're going to do about 30 drops of each scent. You can use however much you want, but I wanted a stronger scent, so that's why I did as many drops as I did. Then stir your wax thoroughly before pouring. You want to pour your wax pretty slowly into the candle, just to avoid air bubbles. I would definitely recommend letting your candles cure for at least 24 hours before cutting and lighting them. And I'm cutting them here. I would say leave about at least 1/4 of an inch on your wicks left. And that's it. Enjoy!
That's how the candles are made. It's super affordable to make your own candles with our kit. They are natural and you know exactly what's going into them. We use 100% natural soy wax. You get to pick your own essential oils that go inside, and it's eco-friendly because you can reuse the tins over and over to make candles over and over again. And they're super cute. Hope you enjoy. See you guys again next time.